And I mean, because it's been hot, and then, I don't know, it's just been really busy. And I work by myself, and so I was just pretty much run ragged. So I just didn't have a chance, and I felt bad because I really wanted to do some fun things. But what I'm going to do is do my project, and I'm going to put together a little giveaway. So to win the giveaway, it's very, very simple. You need to be a subscriber, and you need to comment on this video, and you need to like it. That's it. And then you're in. It's US only because I'm shipping something. I'm hoping, I'm really trying to get to 3,000 subscribers. And when I do that, then I'll probably have a little bit bigger giveaway, maybe some sort of gift card type deal, and then it could be international. But for right now, this particular one, I'm shipping something. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to make easy clusters, like easy little circle embellishments. So I've already cut my stuff out, but to make them, or for me anyway, you can use punches also. I happen to use dies, but I very easily could have used punches. So you just want to make sure that you have two either punches or dies that are different sizes. It doesn't necessarily have to be scallop. You could do 2 circles, whatever you want. I just happen to have a really nice scallop circle die that I really like. And so that's all you need. And that's it. So you go ahead and do that. And the paper that I'm using is, for this one, is the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane. So I've really been working through this Willow Lane paper for all of my, most of my Maggie Holmes collab projects. So I'll put that on the side. So it's very, very simple. You kind of just match up what you want. And then you just put it together. I'm trying to decide how I want to do it. I think I'll just use glue. So you just go ahead and, if you wanted more dimension, you could definitely use some foam. I'm not going to use foam on this layer. But you just go ahead and put your little pieces down. And all right, so there you go. And then you want to decorate. So I had a couple things in mind. I first pulled out some stickers I thought I might use, but then I remembered that I have these chipboard stickers that I had gotten in the American Crafts sale that they had. So let's see here. What am I going to do? Okay, so I'm going to do I think a butterfly, and I think what I want to do is I do want to prop this up on some foam. And so, that's up to you how you want to do it. This is just, how I want to do it. But this is a really good way also of using up ephemera. I've got a project coming up next month, which I'm using Halloween ephemera to do something very similar, and I do love how it came out. So there's that, and then I'm going to do this. Let's see, and I want to be better. Do on this blue one. Okay, so then I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And so it's just really, really simple. You just find the ephemera, the sticker, the chipboard, whatever it is you want to use to decorate stamped image, and you just kind of plop it down. This is kind of my not so scientific method. I'm going to use this swan, and there we go. And then let's see, I am thinking that I've got a couple things. So So I bought stickers. I thought maybe I'd do stickers, but I might just do all chipboard. You know, I just grabbed things and not knowing how I was going to feel when I actually got on camera, because this is just like the only thing I really prepared was the idea, and I just, you know, got my circles ready. So I think I might just go ahead and just stick with all chipboard, because why not? I have some really good chipboard pieces. Okay, so then once you've put down your main image, then you think about how you want to do this. So I am, you know, pretty committed to using this foam, because also I just don't think that the backing on here is very sturdy. So I do enjoy using some foam or some glue or something like that on my backing of these stickers, because they don't really like that. So these two are done, and then let's see. We'll do this one. So yeah, this is just super simple project that anybody can do very quickly. And let's see here. So almost done, and then we are going to make something using it, and we're going to be packaging up the giveaway with these. That's what we're going to do. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that there. Okay, so I did use these thickers, which I'm pretty excited about, because well, thickers are fun. They are thick, and sometimes they're just too bulky for my projects, so I do enjoy being able to kind of use them. Okay, so I did use this. I had brought like this to use. I decided not to, and I brought these stickers to use, which I decided not to. So let's talk a little bit about the giveaway. So for the giveaway, in another one of my collabs, I had made this really cute little book for using all Maggie Holmes products. I'm going to tie it off because we're going to be using, we're going to be doing this. And so I'm also going to be giving away this happy birthday stickers that I had gotten that are completely new, never used. And then a couple things that I had made in the past collabs, which were some flowers. I'm going to give away, let's see, there's that. I've got a couple of frames that are also Maggie Holmes. And I need this paper. I'm going to be using this. This library card that I made in one of my past collabs, and a couple cards so you can make your own things. And then to decorate this card, I'm going to use, so I'm going to use this one, or am I going to use this one? I think I like this. So I'm going to decorate this card, and so that's going to go on here. And I'm also going to give away one of these as well. I think one of them I'm going to use to decorate. So this is the giveaway. And I'm trying to think what else I need. Let's see, I don't need that. I also need, I have a, it's like everything is out of whack. I have a card. Oh, here it is. So I have my, oh, that's not it. I have my card that I use to send. It has my information. Okay, so this is what the gift is going to be, and I'm going to wrap it up and we'll show you. It's going to be the Maggie Holmes book that I made. It's going to be the little bit of stickers. You're going to get a couple of frames. You're going to get some flowers and a bow. These are all Maggie Holmes. The library card using Maggie Holmes that I made. A couple of cards that you then can decorate. A card from me that I used to decorate another card, and another one of these that you can use. And so this is what we're going to do. So we're going to make our own little packaging here, and we're going to use this. So this is how it's going to be. And so what I know that I can do with this is you can seal this part. So I'm going to use some tape. So this is just a free-form way to make your own packaging. And it's just could not be simpler. And I am just totally just free-forming it, but I've made these sorts of little bags before. You know, it's just easier once we get it started. Okay, so there's that. So then we have this right here. So what you want to do is you want to, let's see, I want to be able to just, we're going to just cut. Okay, so you could just fold it and fold it like this. That's what you could do. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to kind of trim this excess right here. I'm going to trim this excess right here. Okay. So now you can fold it over and you're going to go ahead and seal this bottom. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to do some score tape here and here. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and okay, so now you're left with this, and so then you're going to do the other side. And we're going to do sort of the same thing. I'm going to kind of cut the sides a little bit. I'm going to trim off some of the excess here. And then I'm just going to kind of miter this a little bit. All right, and then this is going to fold over like this. And so, oh, I don't like how that looks. I'm just going to trim this off a little bit. Okay, so then your same thing, you're going to use your score tape. And so if you want to win this little bundle of Maggie Holmes stuff, then all you need to do is like the video and go ahead and comment, and then when I do my next Maggie Holmes collab video, I will announce the winner. US only, just because of shipping this little package. Okay, so there you go. It's all done. And this is Maggie Holmes, I think, Chasing Dreams paper. So, I mean, you could definitely reuse that paper. And then, do I think that one or do I think that one? I think I'm going to do, either one I think looks really cute. I think I'm going to go with the blue. So, and you could peel these off. I'm not putting tons of glue on them. So you could peel these little thingies off if you want to reuse these little circle embellishments. But, and there you go. So that is my collab for the day. And you can see just a really simple little package. And it's got all filled with all kinds of little fun Maggie Holmes goodness. So all you need to do to win is just like the video, leave a comment, be a subscriber. That's it. And then you can win this fun little prize. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Crank the Heart.